Alright, let's look at the homework 5.2, 5.3, problem number 5. Alright, so we have this derivative is given with respect to p, and then we want to find the original function x. Right, so let's do that. Alright, so in order to go back to the original function x, we have to find the antiderivative. So we have x of p is equal to integral, right, negative 400 over quantity 0.02p minus 1 cubed with respect to p. Right, let's use a substitution. Let u be 0.02p minus 1. Right, then do the usual drills. So take the derivative of u with respect to p. That'll be 0.02. And take the reciprocal of both sides. So I'll raise it to the negative 1 power. dp over du is equal to 1 over 0.02. Alright, then we can isolate dp by multiplying by du. dp is equal to du over 0.02. Alright, so this can be rewritten as, so it's integral. Right, there's a negative sign, and there's still 400 here. And this guy is now u cubed. Alright, dp is now same thing as du over 0.02. Alright, then we can just simplify a little bit. So let's see. So you can divide through by 2, so that's going to be 200, and that'll be 0.01. Multiply by 100, so that becomes 1, and that's going to be 20,000. Alright, so we have that. So I'm going to pull the constant outside. So here there's a negative 20,000. So I'll put it outside. Negative 20,000. Alright. Then we want to integrate. Alright, I don't like a fraction, so I'm going to write it as u to the negative 3 power. Alright, and du. Alright, this is going to be a power rule. So negative 20,000. Right, and then add 1 to the power, so it's going to be negative 2, and divided by negative 2, right, plus some constant c. Right, then we can cancel negative sign, and 2, and this is going to be just 10,000. Right. Then we're going to just put the original guy back in. Alright, so we have 10,000 over, alright, negative sign, put u on the bottom and square. But remember that the u is 0.02p minus 1 squared plus some constant c. Alright. Then we need to find c, but it says that when p equals 100 and x is 10,000. So x of 100, and plug it into this formula. So you have 10,000 divided by, right, so we put the 100, so it's at 0.02 times 100 to 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's 1 squared 1. So here plus c, and this is just going to be 10,000 plus C is equal to here 10,000. Alright, so in this case, if you subtract 10,000 from both sides, and we can see that the C is actually 0. Alright, so therefore the function we are looking for, x of p, is 10,000 over quantity 0.02p minus 1 squared plus 0. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.